Have you ever needed to find a picture for your presentation last minute and you have absolutely nothing saved or need to amp up your presentation for class? I have been there before too. Hello, my name is KimberlyP, and in this video we are going to be learning how to insert a picture into our Google Slides. Let's get started. We are going to be talking about step by step on how to insert a picture into your Google Slides. First, we need to find what we are going to be inserting the picture into, on what slide, or where we are going to be placing the picture. I am going to use this old family tree document to place a picture. We are going to find our tracer and we are going up to go to the tab Insert. With your mouser, click Insert, and you are going to have this option with the word image in it. So from insert to image, you're going to have two options. You can either upload it from your computer or search the web, and we are going to be doing both. So the first one we're going to do is upload it from the web. So we're going to click search the web, and after that we are going to be finding something that we need related to the topic. For example, after clicking this, I'm going to find a family tree cartoon for my family tree presentation. You can click any of these pictures and all of these will pop up. After you click the favorite one that you want, you click it, and at the bottom over here it will say Insert. Then you click Insert, and after you give it a few seconds, the picture will pop up. After you have the picture popped up, you can place the picture anywhere you like to, or you can shrink the picture, or you can make it very, very big, whichever one you'd like. After that, we have our second option. The second option is inserting the image from your computer. So in order to insert an image from your computer, first you have to find the picture you want to insert from your computer. So we're going to open a new slide on Google, and we're going to search up the same thing we did on here. So I'm going to delete this picture, and on Google we're going to search up what we want. The same thing I searched up on the other one is going to be family tree cartoon, and all of these will pop up. And again, you can pick any one of your favorites. I'm going to go with this one. You're going to click it, and after you click the picture will pop up. Then you have to save the picture to your computer under your desktop or wherever you normally save your pictures. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and you can rename it whatever you want to. And I'm going to name mine Family Tree Presentation Image. After that, you're going to click Save, and it'll automatically save to your desktop here at the bottom. Then you're going to go back to your picture, and you're going to do the same thing we did earlier. You're going to hit Insert, Image, then you're going to upload from your computer this time. After you do that, it'll take you directly to your desktop or wherever you saved the picture previously. You click on the picture, and then you can open it right after. After you give it a few minutes, again, it'll pop up. You can move it wherever you want to, or you can make it bigger and smaller. Perfect. So we are going to review the things that we went over in the presentation. So remember, you hit Insert. After you hit Insert, you hit Image, and then you can pick one of two options to upload a picture to your Google Slides. So when students insert a picture, it helps them amp up their presentation for your teacher or your grades, and also helps visual learners understand the content better. Thank you for watching, and here are my references that I used. I used this awesome tool to screen record this video, and I also used that family tree picture on my Google Slide presentation. Thank you.